While we were staying in Dublin, we saw that there was a Dublin medieval castle right by our Airbnb that it was so easy to walk to. So we walked right over there to check it out. Now, we didn't go in to see the castle because, like I had mentioned before, Paris ate my debit card. So my debit card is in the custody of Paris now, and they were not taking cards that day. So Jeremiah couldn't do tap to pay. And I did have another debit card, but at that point, I was kind of scared to put it into an ATM because I didn't want another ATM to eat another one of my debit cards. But we did walk the grounds, and let me just tell you that the architecture on the buildings and the things in Europe is so amazing. It was just absolutely breathtaking. All the little areas in this castle that we could see. And while I was looking in this pond, you could see that there was actually fish floating around in there. They were just like swimming in there. See the little fish? It was crazy. It was pretty humid while we were walking around here because it had been like raining. It was raining the whole time we were in Dublin, but it was fine. This was the least rainy day while we were there. But look at the little fishy in there. This castle was huge. We walked all around in there and all the way around the entire castle. So we found like other little spots that we could walk in. It was so absolutely beautiful. And you just have to think too, it takes so many years for them to build things like this because they just don't make buildings like they used to back then. Like it's just so crazy to think about how long it took and how many people it would take to build these things. Dublin is so green. I think probably just Ireland in general is so green. So we loved it. It was so gorgeous to walk around. There's like a garden there. So we just got to see everything. Ireland is actually so peaceful because it's so green. The people were so nice in Dublin. I think maybe we do have like 200 pictures of just the flowers that we saw in Dublin because they grow so much different there. The plants are I guess it's just different like than Texas in my house because I can't grow a plant. So I'm wondering like how they get these things so green. And I do think this day we probably got like 35,000 steps in because we just wanted to see everything. And we walked the majority of our vacation. We pretty much walked everywhere we could walk because if you walk, the opportunity to see more is bigger. I am really glad that we walked over here to see this.